Are you ready to hunt down a career with more bite? Our Advanced Manufacturing Technology program at South Texas College equips you with the skills to transform concepts into finished products and transform your dreams into reality. Dive into hands-on coursework covering blueprint interpretation, computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, manual machining, and advanced CNC operations.
So I currently work at GE Aerospace, and as a machine operator, CNC machine operator, I'm getting trained on these 5-axis machines. Everything that I learned here in STC with the program was easily transferable to my job.
Our top 2 priorities as an organization are to promote careers in the industry and to help create a talent pipeline. A lot of the folks that have gone through these programs are now managers and supervisors and highly skilled technicians.
As an STC graduate, you'll be ready to step into high-demand roles in high-tech manufacturing, aerospace, medical, and more. Build a career from the paws up. Enroll in Advanced Manufacturing Technology today.